So, new Hot Wheels video in my collection. This is a Lotus Emira. I've had this car in the box for over a year now, since like the end of 2023. So finally I'm opening this car because it's a cold winter day. So here you have my favorite spec of the car, which is like dark blue paint on the black wheels. This looks really nice. As you can see, the card here looks really good too. So we're going to open it up and take a look. So when we open it up, you get a good look at this car. This is my third Lotus in the collection. I think this one is one of the best. I have a yellow Lotus Elise Cup and Lotus Evija, but this one's really nice. I think the blue cars are the best, and the paint on this one is spectacular. It's similar to like a shark blue colorway on the Porsche. Hopefully they make more cars like this, because this one's really nice with the glass roof. It comes together really good. Definitely a nice car to have in the collection. I have a blue Lamborghini Huracan that's very close to this, which you can see here, which is also pretty much the same paint. I love this color. I think it looks so good on exotic cars. So that was a quick little look at this car. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.